name's Donna Laquadera Carr, and I'm the Industry Insights Research Director at Dodge Construction Network. I'm here to present a Smart Market Minute for you on heat exposure and what contractors are doing about it. We did find out a lot of data in a study that we conducted in partnership with CPWR that we published in our Safety Management Smart Market Report, which you can download at our website. In that report, we found out that 1 out of every 5 contractors has had an issue with a heat-related illness on one of their projects in the last 3 years. So clearly, this is a serious issue that contractors need to address. And there is good news that at least half of them are in fact trying to address it. We saw 52% initiating new policies and procedures in order to help with the problem of heat exposure. One of the most effective measures that we saw in the study was also a very simple one, making sure that your policies and procedures are captured in a written policy document. This may seem really simple, but in fact, it directly correlated with using a lot more of the various heat management practices that the study looked at. So just by doing this simple gesture, you can, in fact, much more likely to incorporate a lot more activities because you're really bringing it to the fore and allowing your employees to interact with something definite. The study also revealed some perhaps underutilized measures that contractors can employ to help their workers deal with heat. One, utilized by less than half, is to use administrative controls. Things like scheduling work at a cooler part of the day rather than in the heat of the middle of the day. Another strategy that's used by only a third is using PPE, such as cooling vests, that really help with the heat. A strategy that's only used by 1/4 is acclimatizing their workers, helping them to get used to heat on a gradual basis, rather than just immediately expecting them to work through the big heat waves that we've been experiencing. And then finally, we see only 10% are actually using any kind of biometric control to understand when their workers are struggling so that they can perhaps help and do something about it before it gets too severe. These are just a few of the various practices that are included in the study. And heat exposure is just one of many topics that we looked at in regards to safety management in that Smart Market report. So I encourage everyone to go to our website and download it. And I want to thank you for joining me for this Smart Market Minute.